Nĩ icera rĩa gũthũrima waki wa kiharo kia ASK Embu gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Manyata kaunti-inĩ ya Embu. Mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ya ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Modomolo na andĩki angĩ akaru makinyĩtwo ũgeni nĩ gavana wa Embu Mbarire na ambunge angĩ kuma kaunti ĩno.
We had 3 visits in December, and then we had the CS Sports Honorable Babu Namwamba last week. He was here again, and today now we have the high-level delegation from the various ministries that have come to do a needs assessment and to agree on how we move forward.
Kiharo gĩkĩ nĩkĩo mambura ma madaraka magatabanĩrio Akenya 20,000 makĩrĩgĩrwo gwĩkinya. Kũringana na Omolo, na gũtuĩka mũigana wa kĩgĩna kĩrĩa gĩkũhũthĩka gĩtirĩ kĩramenyeka wega, nĩaugĩte gũtirĩ ũndũ ũkũhĩtana na maũndũ mothe megũthiĩ ta ũrĩa kũbangĩtwo.
We are going to use the relationship that we have in terms of working as one government, a multi-agency approach across all the various sectors of government, both at the national and at the county level, so that then we ensure that the cost is at a minimum.
And on top of that, we are looking forward to ensure that we give them 100% cooperation so that we can be able to get these things done by June. And we are also looking forward to this place even hosting, because Kenya is actually bidding to host the African Cup of Nations. We want to have African Cup of Nations being hosted here.
Ritana rĩa igongona rĩa mwaka ũyũ nĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa mũingĩ. Ritana rĩa nĩ kĩmwe gĩa kĩranĩro gĩa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza gũtigĩrĩra Akenya nĩ maamũkĩra motungata ma raithi ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
The theme of the Madaraka Day celebrations would be universal healthcare. And there will be a lot of engagement and interaction with our colleagues from the Ministry of Health, both at the national level and at the county level.
This opportunity is not just going to be the stadium, it is coming a long way with other amenities that will be built in this stadium from Jokere. And what we can only say is that business opportunities will come up, other opportunities will come up, like ICT. We are glad that initially this place is so poor with network.
Governor Mbarire augĩte rĩ nĩ ikinya rĩa mwanya harĩ kwarahũra ũtonga wa kaunti ya Embu. Gũkũ nake mũmbunge wa Manyata Gĩtonga Mũkũnji akiuga aikari 5,000 nĩ mekũgunĩka na wĩra wa waki.
We are hoping to harness every single job that our young people can do and our people in Embu can do. And that means that when it starts, let everybody be ready, let our young people be sober. And if you have never gotten a certificate of good conduct, it's the right time to go get it. Because it's important to be ready when the opportunity comes.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.